Hello everybody. Yes, today back again, and as you guys know that I have now started the tutorials on the non-IDE Java, that means the core Java, and today also a tutorial. I have observed that the last video that was of printing Armstrong or the separating the digits, it's actually not of use this time because I have not given a basic tutorial of core Java. The subscribers who are watching this channel for Java tutorials or learning Java or something like that, so I thought we should start from the start. I am not just here teaching Java from actual startup point, but yes, something like that. So today's tutorial will be a very basic one, means I will be showing you that how to print a normal string. Print a string means strings are actually your characters, special characters, numbers, spaces, any different type of characters. Everything together is actually a string. How you identify a string? Strings are identified when they are in between two quotation marks. If any character in between two quotation marks are actually string. So this is the most basic program that you learn when you actually start a core Java programming. So today I am going to do that, and I am using here the software that is IntelliJ IDEA community. It's specially developed for Java coders, the Java programming on code level. This is not an IDE, this is a code editor that is meant for Java. You can download this software because I have mentioned the link in the description box. That means the download link is there in the description box of this video. So let's start. First of all, when you will install the software, there will be some like you install any software, you just click on next, import. You will do that, and then finally I will upload a video that how you actually install IntelliJ. The best point is I have mentioned one more link in the description box, that how you can set up your IntelliJ IDEA software. Means you have to download the JDK and install it first, and then you have to install IntelliJ. So you can refer to any other video on the YouTube, or you can also refer to the official site of IntelliJ. It's your choice. So first of all, I will create a Java class. This is my project Arpan, and here in the src, means the source code, I am creating a new Java class, and I will name it as BasicProgram. Okay, I am just removing this line. This automatically appeared in IntelliJ, but I removed because I want to tell you that why this line is here. First of all, minimizing it and making the view more clearer. Okay, now first of all, when you are writing a Java program, the most important thing is that you have to declare or create a Java class. What is a Java class? Nothing. You just keep a point in your brain that Java class is actually a Java file. So the first line is public class and the name of the class. One thing you should remember, that this is your Java file name. The name of the class and Java file should exactly be same. If it's not same, it will give an error. So it's basic program. One more thing, take care of the uppercase and lowercase because Java is case sensitive. The most suggested thing that many Java developers suggest you, that always write a comment before your Java class. In this comment, I will describe what this program will be doing. It is easy for you also and other programmer who is reading this code also, that what this whole program after execution will do. So here I'm writing the program will print a string. A string is any character, number, space, alphabet in between quotes, that is your quotation marks. These are your quotation marks, as you all know. And the guys who don't know what comment is a piece of code that is not executed by the compiler. If you are learning Java for the first time and this is your first code, then I must explain you that comment is a statement or a code that is not executed by the compiler. It is simply ignored. You can see I have used /*/. This is used for multiple line comment. That means I have used here 2 lines, and I can also give comment by // and write anything here, like I wrote my name. // means I can write anything in this whole line, but under this if I write Arpan, it will be taken as a keyword, and that is not expected. Okay, now continuing again. I have declared a public class. What this lines means, that this class, public means this class basic program can be read by my another programs also, because it is public. I can also write here private, I can also write here protected, but they are of other use, so I will not explain it in the first video on core. Now the second line, public static void main string brackets open and close and then args. Now also remember one thing, that these 2 lines should be memorized by you. One sec. These 2 lines must be memorized by you at this point, at least at this point. And this is declaring main method. What is main method? Main method and class, these 2 are the most important thing in a Java program. This line declares a class, and this line declares this main method. What is the main method actually? The main method contains all those statements which is to be executed. The main methods tell your compiler or the computer that you have to read these statements which are in this block. You can see the highlighted part, or better I must, yeah. In this part, whatever the code is, the compiler will read, because it is under the main method. Main method is the most important method in your whole Java program, because it contains all important statements. Now, as I told you that this program will print a string, I will print a traditional programming string that almost all language learners print first, that is hello world, the most traditional word or the phrase you can say. So how to print a string? First of all, printing anything on the output console is done by System.out.println. First of all, coming here, system means your code system, your compiler. Out means a command that yes, it will give a value out from the program to the output console, and then I will write println. You can also write print. Print means printing a statement in a single line, and print ln means printing a statement in multiple lines, means it will print to the next line, and only print will print it to a single line. So I'm using ln, then a parenthesis, and as I told you that the strings are in between two quotation marks, so give quotation marks and write here hello world and semicolon. In Java, each line either ends with semicolon or ends with a curly brace. This curly brace should be here, but I actually ended this whole line here, so the curly brace is in the line number 8 except of line number 7. This I actually did to just show you that this is a block in which main method contains these statements. Okay, so I have done the programming part, and now I will compile it. Just go and you right click and recompile basic program. In recompiling it, you can see here rebuild, and this is your status bar. It's compiling. I can also compile it from here. This is the compile sign and this is the run sign, but it's better you just right click and do it. Okay, it's compiling. Now I will also run this. Right click, run basic program. So you can see here two processes are running. Sometimes the code editors become a bit slow because of little pressure on RAM and your processor. It depends, it gradually depends. Okay, so the program ran and you can see here it's printed hello world. The string is printed. I can also do one thing to show you that yes, it's working. Just copying this code and pasting several times and again running it. It's running. See this, 1 2 3 4 5 times I printed the same statement, and 5 times it's printing the hello world string. So this is how a Java program works. In the next video I will be showing you that how can you create method and or a method of your own and call it in the main method. That's all.